Today we are cooking a spicy Chinese beef served in lettuce cups. Cook with me now. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and Happy New Year to you all. So today, as I said, we are cooking some spicy Chinese beef, which I'm going to serve in the little lettuce cups. It's something that I really, not say designed myself, but basically come across myself over the years. Something that Daniel absolutely loves. It's basically a mixture of sort of a Chinesey barbecue spices mixed and just served on basically lettuce cup with some pickled vegetables. So first thing I'm gonna do, you can use obviously beef or you can use chicken, you can use any sort of meat that you like, and you pretty much coat in any spicy sauce that you have or you want. We are doing beef today, and because I do have let me get this open first, because I do have a frozen batch of basically a beef chunks. First thing, because I want for it to be a shredded beef, I'm going to basically cook this in a pressure cooker, electric pressure cooker. So I have 600 grams of beef. I'm going to now, it's been reduced whoever you're interested, it's £2.90 and we are in 2022. I'm going to put a vegetable stock cube and I'm going to fill my pressure cooker to the minimum line, which is probably roughly about 1 litre of warm water to help the cube dissolve. And all I'm going to do now, close the lid, and I'm going to pressure cook this for about, bear with me, doesn't want to play the game. Hold on, here we are. And I'm going to cook this for 40 minutes on a full pressure and then let it cool down and we'll shred this. But in the meantime, I'm going to prepare some vegetables. So, whilst our meat is cooking in the pressure cooker, all we have to do is just chop some vegetables and do a very light brief pickle. So, I have a cucumber. I'm going to mandolin this. Don't laugh. Here we go. We have nice little slivers. What are you looking at? Daddy's looking at me like, what?
You said don't laugh.
Yeah, don't laugh. Yeah, so anyway, that's going to go on the top. So, I can't see how much, but thin to slicely. So, and it pickles quicker, considering we only have about 40 minutes for this to cook. So we have a bit of cucumbers. Oh, that smells so good. And radishes. Do be very careful. It's very, it's dodgy. Any mandolin is dodgy. This one meant to come with a little hand grip thing, but as you know, they're actually rubbish. Anyway, if anyone of you who can advise me of a mandolin, they're actually very safe and very sharp and very good, then please do comment below. I would love to have one. I've gone through so many and none of them really do the job properly. So, again, I'm doing this to feed 2 of us, or shall I say 1.5, or 2.5, because one of us is extra greedy. And we're Dad. Yeah. Daniel loves those. Just a couple more. You can always fast forward me. If nobody wants to watch me, great. Okay. I think that probably will do. So I'm going to put a tiny bit of salt. Don't forget, it's a pickle after all, and don't forget, you're not going to eat the pickling part anyway. And I have a malt vinegar. You can use the white vinegar if you prefer, or cider vinegar. I like malt, so this is what I'm going with. The veg is going to sit there for basically until the meat is ready and pickle themselves to next year. And all I have is some spring onions. Again, because we're serving them in a lettuce cups, it's something basically you're just going to sprinkle on the top. So I am probably just going to cut them into little circles and they'll be ready to go. I think circles. She'll have circles or string. Yeah, circles. So you have a lot of heat from the beef marinade after, so this is just to give it a bit of freshness. And we like spring onion anyway, so there we have it. So we are done. So we have our, well, will be to be pickled cucumbers, radishes, and a little bit of spring onion. So I will see you guys in about 40 minutes. So guys, 40 minutes we had this in a pressure cooker now, so we are ready. I had beef now drained and it's cooled for a little bit because obviously we have to shred this. So all we have now is literally a beef chunks. And I know it does not look particularly that attractive, however, it does require a little bit of work. Hold on, you come out, okay. Sorry, move this out of the way. Right, so we have beef chunks. And all we have to do, look at that, they're just going to just come apart. I would film this, but baby wouldn't allow camera to be any close near me without screaming. So anyway, we basically just do this with your hands and you can see it just comes up perfectly. If you don't have a pressure cooker, the one that plugs in, you can do this on a normal pressure cooker or slow cooker. Anything that basically gets your beef nice and tender. Let me get this done. Ish, okay. I have now the choice of my sauce. I've got some spicy barbecue sauce of undisclosed brand because I'm not allowed. So good. You guys can use teriyaki sauce. You can use, my goodness, sweet chili maybe if you wanted to, but I'm gonna get my hands involved, sorry. The spoon just doesn't do it. The beef still needs mushing in, so I have that. You will know, you know what you like, right? You know what you want to have, and there's no rule here, right? There's no rule. You put what you want to eat. The best part of being a cook, is basically putting the flavors that you want to eat on the day and the stuff that you want to use up. So use this to your advantage, right? So maybe just a little bit more. Oh, grab your hands. Sorry. Probably going to end up using this all today anyway, so here we are. Do wash your hands before, obviously. Sorry. General kitchen hygiene. Not that I need to teach you how to suck eggs, but here we are. So we have beef. Sorry. That's so good. So good. So we have a mini gem lettuces, little cups, right? Not the little tall ones, not the really chunky ones, thin ones. You can probably eat, well, any other ones if you manage to put the stuff in there, but the whole idea is, guys, you pick up lettuce cup, you put some beef into lettuce cup, couple of radishes. Oh, they missed. And again, my goodness, but I'm so hungry. And a bit of a cucumber, and look at that. How tasty does that look? Sorry. Sorry. It's very good. What Daniel might want to have is to put a little bit of rice underneath, so you have a little bit more of a filling thing. But for me, as a lady with really dirty hands, it tastes damn good. Bit of spring onion. I'm so hungry, I'm so sorry. This is amazing. So anyway, guys, so lettuce cup, beef, cucumber, radish, spring onion, and a little bit of rice if you want to. So cheers, see you again soon. Bye bye.